Then Cinderella and the prince joined a yoga class and lived healthily ever after. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love surprise endings, don't you?
Yeah.
Say, you want to read another one?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's see what this one is. Aha. It's called the Number of the Day book. Sounds like a page turner. Let's see what it's about. Okay, here we go.
Here's a number, it's called 19. It's a pretty big number if you see what I mean. Here's a puzzle with 19 parts, turning into 19 hearts. 19 fluttering shapes fly by, 19 birds fly in the sky. 19 circles that aren't squares, 19 cookies, 19 chairs. 19 people you could meet, 19 houses on this street. 19 trees, 19 flowers, 19 minutes, 19 hours. Around the track go 19 cars, beneath the sky with 19 stars. 19 seashells I have found, 19 leaves fall to the ground. 19 fingers if you hold back one. 19 ways and this song is done. 19 things 19 can't do. Now I'm done rapping, how about you? 19, 19, 19, 19.